All right, baby. I left for class early and I thought I'd stop down here and do a little grid work because clearly the river needs some assistance. She's high, but we can still access the church. Parking lot's blocked off. So let's see here. Yeah, get you some perspective here. So we're close. We're all up under there and down. Yeah, she's high. She's high, she's high, she's high. Sun came out, which is freaking spectacular. After a crappy, cool, damp day. But yeah, this is like literally here. Here's our statue. The sky is beautiful. And there are the convergences.